Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa not spicy. To start, always remove the seeds and white membranes from your chili peppers, as these contain most of the capsaicin, which causes the heat. Opt for milder varieties like bell peppers or poblanos instead of jalapenos or serranos. Roasting your peppers before adding them can also help to mellow their intensity, giving you a more palatable flavor profile. Once you've prepared your peppers, consider adding cooling ingredients. Dairy products like sour cream, yogurt, or even a ripe avocado can add a creamy texture and significantly reduce the perceived heat. Sweeteners such as a pinch of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or some fruit like mango or pineapple can also balance the spice. Finally, a splash of lime juice or vinegar introduces acidity, which helps to cut through and neutralize the heat. During preparation, certain techniques can further reduce spiciness. Cooking your ingredients longer, especially the peppers, can help break down the capsaicin compounds, making them less potent. If your salsa is still too hot, simply dilute it by adding more non-spicy ingredients like fresh tomatoes, onions, or even a bit of water. Blending your salsa thoroughly also ensures that any remaining heat is evenly distributed, preventing unexpected hot spots. After all your efforts, the most important step is to taste your salsa and adjust as needed. Add small amounts of your cooling ingredients until you reach your desired mildness. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. Serve your delicious, mild salsa with plenty of cooling sides like tortilla chips, fresh vegetables, or even a dollop of extra sour cream. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.